Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero. This cruiser has 21,300 miles on it roughly and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. The bike is nice and clean. I haven't found any type of tip over damage. I did find some scuffs, some scratches, some rock chips. Like I got one here on the front fender. Front tire, good shape. Plenty of miles left on that. We've got a dark tinted windscreen. Highway bars. Footboards for the driver. And back here we've got another scratch on the top of the saddlebag. Oxford heated grips. There we go. A passenger backrest and luggage rack combo. I don't remember if I mentioned footboards for the driver, as you can see. And again, our luggage rack. Got a couple of nicks on the back fender here. Back tire's good shape, got miles left on that. We've got aftermarket pipes on it as well. And again, the Oxford heated grips, as well as the footboards for the driver with a heel toe shifter and highway bars. So like I said, nice clean Vaquero, got a couple of nicks and scratches on it, but nothing terrible, very minimal. $21,250 is what's on it. This 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan Vaquero is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.